Step one, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step two, get some good, some food in you. Step three, you grow hard about what you wanna be. Step four, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. You always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the fire.
Hi everybody, it's day 3 of proving my brother is wrong. And if you want to know what I'm talking about, just feel free to go watch my first vlog where I explain it all. So yeah, I don't know if I must repeat every time the concept, but yes, you can go check. And today, I hope you're fine. I want to apologize because my first vlog was really late. I had indeed software problems and the video didn't want to upload. I did it like 4 or 5 times, and yeah, it took me the whole evening. So yes, it was up on at like 1 a.m. Today I won't be making the same mistake. I understood the problems, so I think I solved them, and so that's why today I am going to upload right now the vlog, the second vlog on YouTube, alright? So that it can be up on my YouTube channel at around 6 p.m. 6 p.m. seems quite good. So yeah, I've done it, so I will do it right now. So it's loading. So yeah, you see that. Ok, donc là je fais des petites graines, des petits condiments, des noix et des noisettes pour les rouges-gorges qui sont, et les oiseaux en général, qui sont à l'extérieur de la maison et qui ont froid en ce moment et qui cherchent un peu à manger. Donc je vais mettre ça au rebord de la fenêtre juste après. Je vais couper le bas d'une bouteille pour faire le réceptacle. Avant j'avais coupé une demi-orange, mais c'est vrai que ça pourrit assez vite. Donc voilà, je vais mettre les petites graines là-dedans. Bon, c'est assez sommaire, hein, mais ça fera le taf. Voilà, et donc en fait j'ai commencé à faire ça parce qu'il y avait des oiseaux qui venaient carrément me demander à la fenêtre, qui tapaient à la fenêtre avec leur bec, et j'en ai conclu qu'ils avaient froid ou faim, donc je vais leur déposer ça sur le rebord de la fenêtre. Alright, so now I will send a message to one of my customers. In fact, there is someone who ordered me a painting a long time ago, and he still hasn't come to take it, or he's very busy, so we couldn't find time to meet in order for me to give him his painting, which is here. it's wrapped and everything. Yes, it's been some months since it's here. And Christmas is coming, so I think it could be a good gift for him to finally have his painting. So I will send him a message to know if he will be able to meet someday, hopefully soon. There you go. I hope he's available. Yeah. Alright, so now it's time for my goûter. So, we have a real croissant, messieurs, dames. This is a real croissant. And I'll take a pain au chocolat. Yes. This will be a great goûter. Alright, so he has answered. Cool. And he said that he is available this month. So yes, I am finally going to be able to give him what he asked me to do. So maybe we will see him this month, I hope. Now I have someone who sent me a song and he wants me to feature on it. But I haven't heard it yet, and so I will listen to it to see if I like it and if there is something possible to do with it. So I'm gonna check this. Ok, alors je viens d'écouter, il y a des super trucs, la musique est vraiment bien, il y a quelques petits soucis de texte je pense, ouais, donc je vais voir avec ça, je vais l'appeler, ouais, je vais l'appeler ce soir, et je vais lui en parler, pour voir si on peut pas réviser quelques petits trucs. Mais ouais, c'était pas mal. C'était pas mal. À voir, si on arrive à faire des changements, pourquoi pas. Mais bon, je vais lui en parler. Alright, so I call him. And it took me way more time than I expected. He is still on the phone. So yeah, I wanted to shoot the outro for this video. After the call, I'm gonna edit this vlog and again have dinner. Thank you very much if you have made it this far. It was day 3 of me trying to prove my brother is wrong. I will see my friends normally tomorrow and we will go in town maybe. Yeah, so it will be cool. Today it was a bit chill, so I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye!